Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring you guys today's video because it is bomb.com. Thank you so much to Fashion Nova for sending me this costume. I think this is the second video I'm putting up to give you guys some inspo on your Halloween costume. The first one I did a little unicorn DIY, super cheap, inexpensive. Today's video is just the full costume, so all you gotta do is one purchase and you got everything you need. Like everything. Like how cute are these little gloves? Ooh. Of course, this little headband, which is bomb. Got the little necklace that's on here, and this is like my little fur shoulder throw, you know, but it's connected to the bodysuit. This bodysuit, let me go ahead and, you know, put you over here. This bodysuit is super comfy. It's got straps on the side, and it also has a little tail in the back, which is also very lioness. I got mine in a large, X large, and it fits perfectly. Everything, it has a little bit of stretch for my girls that want stretch, and it just kind of sucks you in and it feels really nice. I absolutely love this costume. It costs $69.99, and if you think about that, you get a bodysuit, a headband, a necklace, and the gloves. Like, how good is that? Normally you'll have to go on Amazon and get this and get that and get that and piece it together, but this just gives you everything you need, honey. Everything. So as for the makeup, if you guys want to see that, I'm gonna go ahead and insert it now. It's not too detailed. I followed a YouTuber's video, and I'll go ahead and link the actual video she put up below so you guys can go ahead and get your look. Let me know what you think about my costume below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.